what's happening. We got the layers of the baffles clamping together now. When this layer dries, we do have them brad nailed and glued. When they glue, and I'm using Tight Bond 2, not Gorilla. The Gorilla's just sitting there. Anyway, we just thought we'd show you progress coming out without the missing audio, or vocal audio from us. We're gonna get that sucker louder than ever. We'll be the loudest ones in Florence, Alabama when I get done. No doubt. We got it all figured out. Mathematics, all that good stuff. Tuning, everything's good. Anyway, we'll update some more as more progresses. Already put a few in before the start of the camera, so that's. Here we go. Glued together, clamped, ready to go. One more, for good measure. Yep, we'll come back when we get some more done or get some more going. There, gonna let her dry. Happy birthday. It's Father's Day today, by the way. So happy Father's Day. There's my car.